When it comes to increasing your home's value and making a lasting impression, curb appeal plays a major role, especially in a charming place like Orangeburg. Whether you're getting ready to sell your home or simply want to make it the standout on the block, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows don't open, but they offer sweeping views, enhance natural light, and can completely transform the look of your home from the outside in. Let's take a closer look at how picture windows can give your Orangeburg home a curb appeal boost. Modernize the look of your home. Older homes often have small or outdated windows that don't complement today's architectural trends. Picture windows, with their clean lines and expansive glass, give homes a fresh, updated appearance. Whether your house is a classic ranch, a southern-style cottage, or a newer build, picture windows can be customized to match and elevate your existing design. In neighborhoods across Orangeburg, where historical charm meets modern touches, a sleek picture window can make your home look more polished and upscale from the street. Create a bold focal point. One of the key principles of great curb appeal is having a strong focal point, and picture windows naturally command attention. Their large size and elegant appearance draw the eye and provide balance to the overall front facade of your home. Whether centered on the front of your house or paired with other window styles, picture windows add symmetry and visual interest that make your home more memorable. Showcase interior style from the outside. Picture windows give passers-by a glimpse of your home's interior charm, without sacrificing privacy if placed strategically. When paired with tasteful interior design and natural light, these windows can make your home look bright, welcoming, and full of character from the outside. It's a subtle way of saying, "This home is well loved and well maintained." Plus, for those with a front-facing view of a well-kept living room, reading nook, or art wall, a picture window acts like a frame showing off your taste. Enhance natural light and visibility. Homes that look warm and well lit from the street are naturally more inviting. Picture windows allow more sunlight to pour into your home throughout the day, reducing the need for artificial lighting and brightening your interior spaces. From the outside, the soft glow of natural light makes your home appear larger and more vibrant, especially in the golden hours of morning or evening in Orangeburg. This extra illumination also gives your landscaping and home features an attractive glow, even during the cooler months. Increase perceived home value. First impressions matter, and potential buyers or guests often form opinions before even stepping inside. A home with attractive, updated windows appears well cared for, and that perception can directly impact your home's market value. In Orangeburg's competitive housing market, small upgrades like installing picture windows can make your property stand out to buyers looking for energy efficiency, modern aesthetics, and that wow factor. The bottom line: if you're looking for a high-impact way to improve your home's curb appeal, picture windows are a smart, stylish choice. They create visual impact, flood your interiors with light, and add a modern touch that makes your home shine in any Orangeburg neighborhood. Whether you're upgrading for your own enjoyment or prepping for a future sale, Picture Windows deliver both beauty and value. Talk to a local window specialist today to explore options that complement your home's architecture and style.